If you keep going live, but you're only seeing the same one or two people and no new viewers are coming in, this is the real reason why. A lot of creators think, I just need to keep going live and people will find me. But here's the truth. Going live alone doesn't bring in new viewers. You have to give people a reason to click into your live. I've seen this happen with a lot of live creators. They go live consistently. They show up, they talk, they stay on for a while, but their lives don't grow. And it's not because they're doing anything wrong. It's because they're missing one key piece. New viewers don't come from effort alone. They come from visibility and interest. So let me break down what's missing and how you can fix it. When someone sees your live pop up, they decide within seconds if they're gonna click. If your title or what you're saying isn't clear, they're gonna scroll past. Instead of something vague like going live now, say something more like live, how to get more viewers in your live shows, right? Be clear, because now that's gonna give them a reason to click into your live stream. Now, once they see your live, here's the next step. Even if someone clicks in, if they don't understand what's happening right away, they're gonna leave. So when someone joins, you need to quickly say, if you're just joining, I'm showing you how to grow your live audience, right? You're gonna repeat why you're doing your live stream, because then now they'll know exactly what they're watching, and that's gonna keep them there longer. Now, here's something that most people don't even think about. New viewers don't just come from the platform. They actually come from what you do before you go live. If you're not posting about it, talking about it, or building curiosity, then your live has no momentum behind it. You want people to already know something is happening, and I want you to see it, right? Now, the last one is what expands your reach. If your content only exists in the moment, it's gonna be limited. But when you start sharing clips, talking about your lives, and making content easier for them to see, more people will discover you, and that brings in new viewers over time. So, if you're not getting new viewers, here's what's really happening. Your message isn't clear enough to click. Your opening isn't strong enough to keep them, and you're not building attention before you go live. But the good news is you don't need a bigger audience to grow. You just need to become easier to find and easier to understand. Now, if you want more strategies like this to help you get more viewers, grow your live shows, and build real momentum, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, friend. I truly appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your support. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.